In this video, we're going to be talking about everything that you need to know about how to apply for a loan with Cadence Bank. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, I would highly recommend you to visit a local branch and speak with a banker or relationship manager who will guide you through the process for personal, auto, or even business loans. There are a couple of documents that you will be needing. So I'm just going to go ahead and clarify that for you. So prepare 3 years of financial statements and the most recent year's tax return. Specific documents may be required based on the loan type. So, for example, inventory, accounts, receivables for lines of credits, leases of buildings, loans, etc. So, gather bank investment account statements to demonstrate assets, funds for a down payment, and sufficient cash reserves. Also, fill out the application form with the help of a banker. For commercial loans, you will review a discussion term sheet outlining the lending solution. Upon approval, finalize the loan documents. There are also specific type of loans. So, for example, there's a credit builder loan, which is designed to help build or repair credit. These require applying with a lender who places the fund in an interest earning certificate of deposit (CD) as collateral. There's also commercial loans or SBA, which requires detailed business financial information, though the process aims to be straightforward. And there's also home equity line of credit or HELOC, which allows you to borrow against your home's equity for various purposes. But I am no advisor in any way, so you can visit a local bank or access their online resources. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. And if you have any other more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.